If you are going to replace the factory halogen headlights with LED bulbs. If you are wondering, the aftermarket LED bulbs are applicable to regular reflector headlight or projector headlight. You know there are various different LED bulbs. Different price, different appearance design, different color, different wattage, lumens and so on. Maybe you already read some reviews. Some people complained the lighting beam pattern is terrible on regular reflector headlight and projector headlight. But others were satisfied with these LED lights and highly recommended those LED bulbs. Why have this happened? Actually, the lighting beam pattern is related to the factory headlight assembly, LED chips, the lighting source position, and the LED bulb structure design. Also, if you don't install the LED bulb at the correct direction, the output beam pattern will be bad. We borrowed 2 trucks from Lasfit customers. One is Ram 1500 with regular reflector headlight. Another one is Ram 1500 with projector headlight. We tested Lasfit LAplus series LED bulbs on them for comparison of new LED bulb and OEM halogen bulb. The real effect we have seen with the naked eye is dimmer. The lighting is yellow color. We replaced one side low beam with LED bulb to compare the output beam pattern with the OEM halogen bulb. How did these Lasfit LAplus series LED bulbs work on Ram 1500 with projector headlights? We replaced one side low beam with LED bulb to compare the output beam pattern with the OEM halogen bulb. We also tested 3 different brand LED bulbs on Honda Accord with projector headlights to show you guys how these LED bulbs perform. The output lighting of this LED bulb is focused beam pattern, almost the same as OEM halogen bulb. This LED bulb is 23 watt, 2440 lumens. You need to reconsider if you would like super bright LEDs. The beam pattern of this LED bulb is okay, brighter than halogen bulbs. Now, we are testing this LED bulb on Honda Accord projector headlight. Obviously, this LED bulb beam pattern is unfocused and messy. The aftermarket LED bulb is good replacement to replace the factory halogen bulbs. But there are different levels of LED bulbs on the market. Different quality, different price, different wattage, different lumens, different warranty and so on. We suggest you read the product description, reviews and warranty before purchase, or search some videos on YouTube. Some people did a video review about the LED bulbs. All of Lasfit LED lights were tested on different cars, trucks, SUVs. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to contact us. Once we all defeat COVID-19, anyone who lives near Ontario, California is welcome to come to our store to experience our LED firsthand.
It's also super freaking bright.
Lasfit lighting beam. I go to work at 5 in the morning. It's dark outside, and these Lasfit lights just brighten it up immensely.
Visibility with the Lag 2 Lasfit LEDs. This is so much better than the halogens. I can see so much further and so much clearer.
So I'm over here at Lasfit Auto Lighting, and looking at it, it's insane. It's super bright. They blind you every time you look at them.